Can AI truly enhance the way we make decisions and help us stay focused? In 2026, the answer is a resounding yes. Artificial intelligence is now an integral part of our decision-making processes, enabling individuals, organizations, and even governments to make better, faster, and more accurate choices. But how exactly does AI help us improve decision-making and stay focused? In today's video, we will explore the key ways AI is revolutionizing the way we think, act, and make important decisions. Let's get started. 1. AI enhances the speed and accuracy of decisions. One of the primary advantages of AI is its ability to analyze massive datasets at speeds and scales far beyond human capability. Gone are the days of relying on intuition or guesswork to make crucial decisions. AI's ability to process real-time data allows organizations and leaders to make informed decisions quickly and accurately. Whether in business, healthcare, or finance, AI provides data-driven insights that allow decision-makers to cut through uncertainty and avoid common mistakes. Take, for example, predictive analytics. CEOs, managers, and policymakers now rely on AI to forecast future trends, assess risks, and allocate resources more effectively. AI systems help improve decision-making by presenting actionable insights in real time, which can make a world of difference in rapidly changing environments. This shift from intuition-based to data-driven decisions is now a norm in 2026, marking AI as a must-have tool in high-stakes decision-making. AI-powered systems also enable proactive decision-making by identifying potential problems and suggesting solutions before they escalate. In industries like healthcare, where decisions can mean life or death, AI's speed and accuracy save time, reduce errors, and even improve patient outcomes. AI is particularly transformative in complex and high-pressure environments. The speed at which AI processes data allows businesses to react quickly to market changes, and it can guide them through competitive decision-making that would be too slow or too costly to do manually. AI allows individuals and organizations to access deep insights instantly, making decisions that were once time-consuming and unreliable, effortless, and precise. As AI continues to evolve, its role in decision-making will only increase, making it indispensable for anyone looking to stay ahead. 2. Better filtering of noise and cognitive errors. Humans are prone to cognitive biases and errors, which can cloud judgment and lead to poor decision-making. AI helps mitigate these biases by focusing purely on objective data. By analyzing large amounts of information and filtering out irrelevant noise, AI ensures that decision-makers only receive the most important, actionable insights. This is especially important in sectors like government and public policy, where decisions can affect millions of lives. AI tools are now used to streamline decision-making in these areas, ensuring that human biases are minimized and only the most relevant, evidence-based decisions are made. However, it's important to note that AI is not infallible. Some AI models have been found to replicate human biases, so human oversight remains critical. 3. Reducing workload to improve human focus. AI's ability to automate routine tasks is a game-changer for productivity. By handling repetitive and time-consuming tasks, AI frees up time for individuals to focus on high-level, strategic decisions. Whether in business or education, this results in improved efficiency and reduced mental load for decision-makers. AI systems are now capable of organizing data, drafting reports, and even responding to routine customer queries without human intervention. This gives professionals the opportunity to dedicate more time to tasks that require problem-solving and creativity. For example, in the retail industry, AI-powered systems now handle customer inquiries, inventory management, and sales tracking, allowing employees to focus on customer engagement and more complex tasks. Similarly, in education, AI is used to assist students by automating administrative tasks, enabling them to focus on critical thinking and learning rather than on procedural work. This reduction in mental burden allows individuals to concentrate on the tasks that truly require human creativity, problem-solving, and judgment. The impact of AI extends beyond workplaces to everyday life. By reducing mental fatigue from routine tasks, AI improves cognitive performance and decision-making in daily scenarios. In healthcare, AI helps doctors make more accurate diagnoses by analyzing patient data, reducing the time doctors spend sifting through records and increasing the time they spend with patients. Similarly, personal assistants like AI-driven apps help individuals stay organized, prioritize tasks, and make better decisions with minimal effort, freeing up cognitive resources for more meaningful endeavors. AI's contribution to workload reduction is profound and is likely to grow even more important as our world becomes more complex and data-driven. In the coming years, AI will become even more seamless in its ability to blend into daily life, supporting us in ways that reduce stress, improve productivity, and increase focus. It will allow professionals to elevate their work to the next level, focusing on strategic thought while AI manages the heavy lifting. 4. Supporting human cognitive processes, rather than replacing them. AI should not be seen as a replacement for human thinking, but as a powerful tool to augment it. In 2026, AI's role is to work alongside human decision-makers, enhancing cognitive processes rather than replacing them. By integrating AI with human competence and organizational culture, decision-makers can make more thoughtful and informed choices. It's about forming a partnership that leverages the strengths of both human intelligence and AI's analytical capabilities. Studies show that AI-powered systems can even reduce cognitive load in complex decision-making scenarios. For example, when faced with a decision that involves extensive data analysis or probabilistic reasoning, AI can provide real-time recommendations that help users navigate through uncertainty. This is particularly beneficial for older adults or those with limited cognitive resources, as AI can assist in reducing the difficulty of choices and make decision-making more accessible. In such environments, AI is not just a tool, but a partner that enhances human decision-making by reducing the mental burden. This collaboration between humans and AI is especially crucial in environments where high-stakes decisions are made. In industries such as healthcare, finance, and national security, the combination of human judgment with AI's analytical support creates a more powerful decision-making environment. AI can assist with complex data analysis, while humans can apply context, creativity, and ethical considerations to make the final judgment. By relying on AI to perform high-volume data processing and pattern recognition, decision-makers can focus more on creative aspects, such as innovation, ethics, and long-term strategy. AI empowers individuals to focus on the areas where human cognition is unmatched, such as complex ethical dilemmas, strategic planning, and empathetic judgment. 5. A balanced approach, AI and human decision skills. While AI offers tremendous benefits, it's important to maintain a balance. Excessive reliance on AI for decision-making can lead to cognitive offloading, where individuals delegate too much of their thinking to machines. This can result in a decline in critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Research suggests that decision-making quality is at its best when AI is used to complement human reasoning, not replace it. The ideal scenario is one where AI handles the heavy lifting, analyzing data and providing insights, while humans apply their creativity, ethical judgment, and contextual understanding. AI should enhance human decision-making by removing cognitive barriers and providing actionable insights, but humans must still be responsible for high-level decision-making and the moral implications of those choices. 6. Organizational and policy impacts of AI decision support. In 2026, AI is not only impacting individual decision-makers but also transforming entire organizations and governments. Companies are now embedding AI into their decision-making processes to improve performance, drive innovation, and manage risk more effectively. However, to fully reap the benefits of AI, businesses must align their strategies with digital capabilities and ensure strong governance. Similarly, governments are using AI to improve transparency, public service delivery, and policy decisions. The world's first AI-powered cabinet position in Albania is an example of how AI can assist in public sector decision-making. However, these applications still require human oversight to ensure accountability and prevent misuse. As AI becomes more embedded in governance, it's crucial to have legal frameworks and ethical guidelines in place to manage its use responsibly. There you have it, how AI is revolutionizing decision-making and enhancing focus in 2026. From accelerating decision speeds to eliminating cognitive errors and providing clarity in complex situations, AI is proving to be an invaluable partner in both personal and professional decision-making processes. However, it's important to remember that AI works best when used in collaboration with human judgment, creativity, and ethics. The future of decision-making is not just about machines making choices, but about humans and AI working together for smarter, more effective outcomes. If you found this video insightful, be sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge content. Let us know in the comments how you think AI will continue to shape decision-making in the coming years. Stay tuned, stay focused, and see you in the next video.